fashion friends! Today we are going to be looking at how to style 5 different types of flats that are super popular right now. The first trend we have is embellishments. We are seeing a lot of sparkly studs and stones showing up across the bar or toe of the shoe or all over. It's like jewelry on your feet. You can have a lot of fun picking out a pair that mimics and screams your style, whether you like the more edgy stud look or a girly sparkly shoe, or maybe even a boho look. For styling, the shoe is the star of the show with the embellishments, so you're gonna wanna tone down the rest of the outfit in order to show off your flats. So pair them with a lighter pair of denim, a basic white tee, and a cardigan that matches the color of the shoe. That's it. You can find these items already in your closet. To bring out the embellishments, I like adding a piece of jewelry or a little bag that plays off the flats. The second trend is the Mary Jane, notable by the little strap across the middle of your foot. It automatically gives a preppier, almost innocent vibe, and there are some limitations on how you can style these. If you were looking for a Mary Jane, I would err on the side of comfort for these. Straps across your feet can rub in and feel uncomfortable, so you need to prioritize comfort when finding the right pair. Style the Mary Janes with a more polished corporate look. I love the crop pea coat here. They're super in, and then the taper black pants will allow you to show off your shoe if the pant hits you right around the ankle. The third trend we have is one of my favorites, see-through. You can find this all over right now in mesh, crochet textures, or jelly. Perfect for those hot summer days. Just make sure you have a nice pedicure with these, okay? Some of the see-through styles make your foot look shoeless if you pick out a nude pair. Others, like the red jelly or the woven crochet texture, are a real pop of fun to add to your outfit. You can really only wear see-through flats like this during the hotter months. You're not going to wear it when it's snowing out. So I like pairing these with summertime outfits like pattern dresses and fun skirts. The fourth trend we have is animal print. So think leopard, zebra, snake, giraffe, cow prints. Animal print is great because it can be used like a neutral. It will go with almost anything. For this look, I'm playing up the zebra print and making it so people will look directly at the shoes with an all black ensemble. This look gives you an idea of how you can still wear a flat for a night out look. It's also easy to dress down animal print flats with denim and a plain tee. The last trend is more of a style of the flat. It is a loafer, also known as a driving shoe or a slipper. The loafers are a more substantial style flat with a heavier, chunkier look. You can already see how the flat trends of animal print and embellishments are being used on this style flat. Lots of fringe and jewel details. For the loafer, it's fun to juxtapose the chunkiness of the shoe with a fun and flirty outfit like wearing a pleated skirt. You do want to focus on the proportion of your outfit, so that is why we have it being styled with socks. You can also throw on a larger jacket as well, because you don't want to pair loafers with a super body-hugging look. Otherwise, the proportions of the shoe to your body will look blocky and off. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe, and thank you, fabulous fashion friends.